devoir.
It means have to or must. In this video, we will learn the verb have to or must in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb. It does not follow any specific pattern. So, let's see, how do we conjugate it? I must.
Je dois.
You must. Informal way.
Tu dois.
He must. Masculine.
Il doit.
She must. Feminine.
Elle doit.
We must or one must. Informal way.
On doit.
We must. Formal way.
Nous devons.
You must. Formal way.
Vous devez.
They must. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils doivent.
They must. Group of only females.
Elles doivent.
This French verb is used to express obligations, duties, necessities, or expectations. It is a common and essential verb in daily life. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I must leave early.
Je dois partir tôt. Je dois partir tôt.
You must finish your homework.
Tu dois finir tes devoirs. Tu dois finir tes devoirs.
He must buy some bread.
Il doit acheter du pain. Il doit acheter du pain.
She must call her sister.
Elle doit appeler sa sœur. Elle doit appeler sa sœur.
We must prepare dinner.
On doit préparer le dîner. On doit préparer le dîner.
We must leave early tomorrow.
Nous devons partir tôt demain. Nous devons partir tôt demain.
You must take the train.
Vous devez prendre le train. Vous devez prendre le train.
They must return the books to the library.
Ils doivent rendre les livres à la bibliothèque. Ils doivent rendre les livres à la bibliothèque.
They must buy tickets for the concert.
Elles doivent acheter des billets pour le concert. Elles doivent acheter des billets pour le concert.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I must.
Je dois.
You must. Informal way.
Tu dois.
He must. Masculine.
Il doit.
She must. Feminine.
Elle doit.
We must or one must. Informal way.
On doit.
We must. Formal way.
Nous devons.
You must. Formal way.
Vous devez.
They must. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils doivent.
They must. Group of only females.
Elles doivent.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.